In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom values in GoHighLevel. This feature is incredibly useful for personalizing and automating your marketing campaigns, making them more effective and engaging. With custom values, you can insert dynamic content into emails, campaigns, and more, without needing to repeat the same information manually every time. To get started, you'll want to first open GoHighLevel. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, the process will be the same. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here you'll see several menu options. What you're looking for is the Settings section. This is where we can manage a lot of the back-end functionalities that power your campaigns. After clicking on Settings, you'll see a new set of options appear. Look for the one labeled Custom Values. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a page specifically designed for managing dynamic placeholders that you can use across the platform. Once you're on the Custom Values page, you should see the option to add new custom entries. Find and click on the button that says Plus Add Custom Value. It's usually positioned somewhere prominently for easy access. This action will open a new entry form where you can define the specifics of your custom value. Let's break down what you will need to enter here. First, there's the name field. This is where you enter an internal label for the custom value, which helps you easily identify it later on. For instance, if you're setting up a custom support email, you might simply call it support email. Remember, this name is for internal use only, so choose something that is clear and descriptive. Next is the key field, which is where you define the variable format for your custom value. Essentially, the key acts as the code placeholder that you'll use within your campaigns. When choosing a key, a good tip is to use a format like support email. The key must be unique and formatted in a way that's easy to recognize and remember. Finally, you have the value field. This is the actual content or data you want to insert dynamically. Using our previous example, if you want your support email to populate in your communications, you would enter support@yourdomain.com in this field. The value can be anything you need to reuse consistently, like email addresses, phone numbers, addresses, or really any other piece of information. Once you've filled out all three fields, name, key, and value, take a moment to double check for any typing errors or missing information. After everything looks good, don't forget to hit Save. This action will store the custom value in your GoHighLevel account, making it readily available for use in your various marketing efforts. There you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to make your campaigns more dynamic with just a few clicks. Custom values in GoHighLevel can be a real game changer when used effectively, simplifying many repetitive tasks by automating the insertion of information. With this tool now at your disposal, you're all set to enhance your marketing strategies further.